Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to automate Omegle website. As you can see, Omegle is a anonymous talking to strangers kind of a website. So in this tutorial I will be showing you a small bot that you can develop using pure JavaScript. So just right click and go to inspect here. Let me just close it here and show to you how you can just do this. Right click inspect and then go to the console menu here, and the right hand side you can just write JavaScript, pure JavaScript code that will execute on the website. So here you can write interest. Here I have written Indian in India, and then click on the text button. So here I will just stop this and copy paste my script here. So this is a script. This will automatically execute on the right hand side. You can paste it here and now enter, and now you will see that it will automatically press the new button. It will write that some text here that I have configured here, hello, I am Gautam from India, and it will click the send button. So the message was automatically sent. Now I can just switch off the tabs here. It will be running inside the background. I did not have to manually click the stop button or send the button. It will automatically do for me. You can see that. So this is a simple bot that I configured with these lines of code. I will be step by step writing the code, and I will be explaining to you how I did it. So let's start building this bot from scratch. So first of all, go to this website, and now, as I already told you, right click inspect element and go to this console. And now to clear out the console, it is pretty simple. You need to first of all click this button of clear console, or you can control L. This will also do the task for you. Now the first job is to find the elements. So this is a start button here. Just click on the inspect here, or you can go to the elements tab and then inspect here. Now you will be redirected to this DOM element. You can see that it has got the class of disconnect button. So basically, if I double click, you can just copy paste the class here like this. So copy it, and now go to the console here. Here you can just get the element. Let's suppose BT, and I give it, and then you can write document.query selector. This is a method in JavaScript, and inside this I will provide the class name in single quotes dot and followed by the class, which is disconnect button. And now what we can do here is that if I click this, you can see that we have successfully got the button. So how there is a click button in JavaScript in order to click the button automatically. So if I press this, you will see that it will automatically click the button for us. So this is a programmatically way in JavaScript in order to click a button. Now the second task is to find this text area where we can write the message. So this is a, you can see that this has got this classes attached to it. So we can just copy paste this class here like this chat message and go to the console. And what we can do here is that now we can just make a simple function. So function execute Omegle, or what can I do here is that I can just copy paste the function just to reduce the time. So I don't have, so what we can do here is that, so now you can see we have got these two references. First is this disconnect button or starting the button, and second is this text field. So now we have got the references of these two. So this third reference is this send button, which is there. So now if I inspect this element also, so now you will see that this has got the class of send button. So now I can copy this, and now I can repeat this process, make a new variable, and here I can just copy paste this string here, paste it, and inside this I can paste the name which was sent. Let me just again go to it, inspect send button, so send BT, and that's it. So now we have got these three references. Oh sorry, we don't want to press the enter button. So after this, we just need to click these buttons. It is very simple. We first of all need to configure it to the starting button. What is happening here? Let me just see. So writing JavaScript here in the console is very difficult. So what I can do here is that I can just copy paste my code here. So you can just write your code in Notepad, and after you finished you can just paste it here. So let me just explain to you. So this was my function. We are clicking this function btn.click, and then we are appending by the help of inner HTML method. This string you can change anything to your choice. This is my welcome message. Hello, I'm Gautam from India. And then I click the send button also automatically. Now we just need to call this function by the help of set interval method. So set interval is a special method in JavaScript which will execute your function in a delayed manner. So basically I will call the function execute Omegle, and the second argument is the delay. So if you provide very minimum seconds here, 100 milliseconds, so delay is there inside milliseconds. So I will highly recommend that you have 4 seconds delay, because Omegle will also ban you if you try to cheat the system. So I will highly recommend that you put 4000 milliseconds here. And now if you refresh, if you enter it, and now you will find it will run the script for you. So it will click the button, send the message automatically, and it will disconnect like this. So there are many tools available for Omegle bots, but they don't work. But specifically for this video, I just wanted to tell you that how you can automate the process of Omegle. Especially Omegle has very large user base. You can promote your own website also here also, send traffic. So this was a tutorial. You can just pause the video also, write this code inside your console in pure JavaScript. And thanks very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.